Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. Did you miss me from last episode? Well, here I am with today's prize. And here it is. Super Irish breakfast. Aw, wish I had this in the morning. It's in the afternoon now. Okay, well, before we get to that, let's check out the kitty. Not looking. Pop. Oh. Ooh. What is wrong with this kitty? Oh, poor dear, it looks sick. Oh, it needs to go to the vet. That is for sure. Yes, I waited until the next day to have my super Irish breakfast. I'm a little nervous about this because the first time I ever had Irish breakfast, it was horrible. It tasted so bitter it made me sick. I certainly hope this does not do that. Well, there is a little bit of bitterness to this one, but it's not like super bad, like the name says. Sorry. The bitterness doesn't seem to last as long. Now, the first one I had was done at a coffee shop, and coffee shops are really, I don't know, I've had a ton of tea made at a particular coffee shop, and they always make my tea really bitter, and it's just, ugh, it's really horrible. It's because they use super hot boiling water, which you shouldn't be using on tea or coffee, actually, because it can make your drink bitter. I'm looking at the name of this, the French name. This says Super Black Tea of Ireland, or Irish. Super Irish Black Tea. So it doesn't actually say breakfast in French. What's with that? It's just Super Black Tea, Irish, or Ireland. I don't know this. I don't know if this is Ireland or Irish. But I know that's super. Duh. That's tea. That is black. And that's either Ireland or Irish. I think it's Irish, considering how it's ended. That sounds weird. But anyway. So, yes, it's not so bad. I mean, you know, I think it's a good breakfast tea.